Hey gang, so out on a little walk. I didn't get any adventures in this week. I wasn't feeling the best, so I didn't get out, but feeling a little better today. Still not feeling really strong. We got a massive snowstorm coming in tomorrow. We're supposed to get up to 30 inches of snow, which, about time. Super late in coming. We're mid-January and I'm over here walking this path. There's only a couple inches of snow on the ground. So, it's about time we get a big snowstorm. Next time I walk this path, I'll have to have snowshoes on. And good thing, I got some on order. I want to thank you guys for that. Because I need to get out and get activity, and the doctor says you gotta work that heart muscle, gotta go out and get some work, and walking is the way I do it. I'm thanking you guys because I am an Amazon affiliate, and I always have, not on all my videos, but a fair amount of my videos I have Amazon links to different products that I might have used in that video. And over the last few months, y'all have been hitting that Amazon link a little bit. I had enough money built up in there to order a set of snowshoes. So I appreciate y'all for hitting up that Amazon account and making purchases, because I have not had income in over a year. My wife's working, but when you go from a dual income house to a single income house, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. And then not only a single income house, but then one of you are racking up hospital bills like crazy because your heart decides to fail. Oh, what are you gonna do? Thank you so much for clicking on the Amazon link in the description and making a purchase occasionally. Now, I also do have a Trucker John's Outdoor Shenanigans Facebook page, and there is a link, Amazon link, on that homepage as well. So if you need to go into Amazon and make a purchase, you could use that link as well. So thank you so much for using my links, giving me the ability to buy some snowshoes. It's awesome. It's awesome. Thank you guys. And thank you so much for all the views I've been getting. I want to say 2 months ago was my best month ever, and I want to say I had something like 39,000 views. It was like 2 months ago. And I was so grateful for you guys for doing that. That really, really helped me to be able to get on the monetized end of YouTube. Last week, I never thought I would see this. Last week, you guys got this channel 37,000 views in a week. That's unbelievable. So I appreciate that, guys. So yeah, anyways, thank you for using my Amazon link. Thank you so much for watching the videos. I also want to thank you for subscribing, because the number of subscribers from 2 months ago to today, I want to say a couple months ago we were at 500. Made a video where I was thinking people were at 500, and now we're like 2100. You guys are incredible. But anyways, well, I'm gonna quit talking now for this video, but I want to add a little video montage, maybe a minute or two long here. I'm gonna compile a few of my photos I've taken along this route here, and put together a little video music montage. I don't know if that's what you call it or not, but anyways, stick around, check that out. I think it'll be a nice video. We'll see when I get home and get this done. But check it out. But anyways, thank you so much, guys. We'll talk to you after the storm. Probably be on an adventure with the new snowshoes that you all got for me. Bye.